Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're unveiling the astonishing transformations you can achieve in just 7 days with the magical elixir known as castor oil. Get ready to be amazed as we explore its incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Skin rejuvenation, smooth and radiant. Castor oil isn't just any oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin from dull to dazzling in just a week. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, it deeply moisturizes, reduces wrinkles, and promotes a youthful glow. Apply a few drops nightly and wake up to smoother, more radiant skin that feels as good as it looks. Hair growth miracle. Stronger, thicker tresses. Dreaming of luscious locks that turn heads? Castor oil is your secret weapon. Its rich, nourishing properties penetrate deep into the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. Massage it into your scalp and leave it overnight for a weekly treatment that strengthens strands, reduces breakage, and leaves your hair looking healthier and thicker, all in just 7 days. Bye-bye dark circles, brighter eyes, naturally. Tired of looking tired? Castor oil works wonders on those pesky under-eye circles. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving you brighter, more awake eyes in just a few applications. Gently dab a drop under each eye before bed and watch as your eyes sparkle with renewed vitality by the end of the week. Natural healing. From aches to acne. Castor oil isn't just about beauty. It's a natural healer for aches, pains, and even acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing remedy for sore muscles and joints. For acne-prone skin, its antibacterial and antifungal properties help clear up blemishes and prevent future breakouts, revealing clearer, healthier skin in just days. The versatility factor. Beyond its beauty benefits, castor oil is a multitasking marvel. From nourishing cuticles and softening rough heels to soothing sunburns and promoting eyebrow growth, its uses are endless. Incorporate it into your daily routine and discover the countless ways it can enhance your overall well-being. Final thoughts. Experience the castor oil revolution. In just 7 days, castor oil can revolutionize your beauty regimen and elevate your self-care routine to new heights. Embrace its natural goodness and witness the transformative power it holds. You won't believe the results until you try it yourself. Ready to embark on your 7-day journey with castor oil? Hit that like button if you're excited to see the changes unfold. Share your castor oil success stories in the comments below and inspire others to join the beauty revolution. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and natural remedies. Until next time, glow with confidence and radiate beauty with castor oil by your side. Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're unveiling the astonishing transformations you can achieve in just 7 days with the magical elixir known as castor oil. Get ready to be amazed as we explore its incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Skin rejuvenation, smooth and radiant. Castor oil isn't just any oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin from dull to dazzling in just a week. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, it deeply moisturizes, reduces wrinkles, and promotes a youthful glow. Apply a few drops nightly and wake up to smoother, more radiant skin that feels as good as it looks. Hair growth miracle. Stronger, thicker tresses. Dreaming of luscious locks that turn heads? Castor oil is your secret weapon. Its rich, nourishing properties penetrate deep into the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. Massage it into your scalp and leave it overnight for a weekly treatment that strengthens strands, reduces breakage, and leaves your hair looking healthier and thicker, all in just 7 days. Bye-bye dark circles, brighter eyes, naturally. Tired of looking tired? Castor oil works wonders on those pesky under-eye circles. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving you brighter, more awake eyes in just a few applications. Gently dab a drop under each eye before bed and watch as your eyes sparkle with renewed vitality by the end of the week. Natural healing. From aches to acne. Castor oil isn't just about beauty. It's a natural healer for aches, pains, and even acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing remedy for sore muscles and joints. For acne-prone skin, its antibacterial and antifungal properties help clear up blemishes and prevent future breakouts, revealing clearer, healthier skin in just days. The versatility factor. Beyond beauty, beyond its beauty benefits, castor oil is a multitasking marvel. From nourishing cuticles and softening rough heels to soothing sunburns and promoting eyebrow growth, its uses are endless. Incorporate it into your daily routine and discover the countless ways it can enhance your overall well-being. Final thoughts. Experience the castor oil revolution. In just 7 days, castor oil can revolutionize your beauty regimen and elevate your self-care routine to new heights. Embrace its natural goodness and witness the transformative power it holds. You won't believe the results until you try it yourself. Ready to embark on your 7-day journey with castor oil? Hit that like button if you're excited to see the changes unfold. Share your castor oil success stories in the comments below and inspire others to join the beauty revolution. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and natural remedies. Until next time, glow with confidence and radiate beauty with castor oil by your side. Hey there, beauty enthusiasts! Today, we're unveiling the astonishing transformations you can achieve in just 7 days with the magical elixir known as castor oil. Get ready to be amazed as we explore its incredible benefits for your skin, hair, and overall well-being. Skin rejuvenation, smooth and radiant. Castor oil isn't just any oil. It's a powerhouse of nutrients that can transform your skin from dull to dazzling in just a week. Packed with antioxidants and fatty acids, it deeply moisturizes, reduces wrinkles, and promotes a youthful glow. Apply a few drops nightly and wake up to smoother, more radiant skin that feels as good as it looks. Hair growth miracle. Stronger, thicker tresses. Dreaming of luscious locks that turn heads? Castor oil is your secret weapon. Its rich, nourishing properties penetrate deep into the scalp, stimulating hair follicles and promoting growth. Massage it into your scalp and leave it overnight for a weekly treatment that strengthens strands, reduces breakage, and leaves your hair looking healthier and thicker, all in just 7 days. Bye-bye dark circles, brighter eyes, naturally. Tired of looking tired? Castor oil works wonders on those pesky under-eye circles. Its moisturizing and anti-inflammatory properties help reduce puffiness and dark circles, giving you brighter, more awake eyes in just a few applications. Gently dab a drop under each eye before bed and watch as your eyes sparkle with renewed vitality by the end of the week. Natural healing. From aches to acne. Castor oil isn't just about beauty. It's a natural healer for aches, pains, and even acne. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it a soothing remedy for sore muscles and joints. For acne-prone skin, its antibacterial and antifungal properties help clear up blemishes and prevent future breakouts, revealing clearer, healthier skin in just days. The versatility factor. Beyond beauty, beyond its beauty benefits, castor oil is a multitasking marvel. From nourishing cuticles and softening rough heels to soothing sunburns and promoting eyebrow growth, its uses are endless. Incorporate it into your daily routine and discover the countless ways it can enhance your overall well-being. Final thoughts. Experience the castor oil revolution. In just 7 days, castor oil can revolutionize your beauty regimen and elevate your self-care routine to new heights. Embrace its natural goodness and witness the transformative power it holds. You won't believe the results until you try it yourself. Ready to embark on your 7-day journey with castor oil? Hit that like button if you're excited to see the changes unfold. Share your castor oil success stories in the comments below and inspire others to join the beauty revolution. Stay tuned for more beauty tips and natural remedies. Until next time, glow with confidence and radiate beauty with castor oil by your side.